Hey cluckers, welcome back to the channel. It's Easter Sunday tomorrow and I still haven't bought the hen an Easter egg. Where are we going to get one? Such last minute. That's right, we're here at Cadbury World. So we're not just here to get Easter eggs, no we're not. We're here to check out a new 4D dart ride that opened yesterday. We're looking forward to this one. It's interactive, so it should be a lot of fun. Check out the tour. There's been some changes since the last time we came as well, so let's head inside. So a pre-booked say 4 o'clock. We're about 5 minutes early. We've come to check in. And they told us we're early, so we've got to wait. So we're going to have a look in the cafe, have a look in the shop. We'll take you along with us. Now, there is a cafe by the entrance. We're in it now. What's not bad, Linz? What are you pointing out here?
2 jacket potatoes with fillings and 2 drinks.
£18.50 for 2 jacket potatoes?
I would like to try a chocolate barbecue chicken pizza.
Chocolate barbecue chicken pizza. There's 2 jacket potatoes. I think it's decent.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what I think of chocolate barbecue chicken pizza £15 there. Or chocolate chili non carne. It's really well themed in here, I like this. Little clouds above us. That's the cafe. Freddo Frog is over there, the man himself. Cadbury's Hero Hot Drinks. Pound bunny latte, Freddo hot chocolate. Now that looks good. That's $5.95, so a bit of a bargain. That looks delicious. Question of the blog though. Do you get Merlin annual pass discount in the cafe here at Legoland? It's a good question. Problem is, by the time we come out of the tour, we think it's going to be closed. We'll find out. If it's still open when we come out, we might get something to eat. If it's closed, obviously, we'll never know. So we're about to enter the tour. We have got our free chocolate, so when you enter, you do get 2 bars of chocolate. Can you smell the smell pods?
Not really.
I can, it's nice. Really cool. I didn't expect there to be smell pods in here. So in this first room, it tells the history of where chocolate or cocoa beans came from, the Amazon. Done this one before, but there's definitely smell pods in here now. There weren't before, and they smell amazing. Amazing, proper Disney vibes in here now.
As a human, wow, that's what?
Look, I found the treasure.
Coffee and cocoa nibs that I prepared myself. My colourful window displays soon attracted new customers from far and wide.
Just come out of a couple of different shows there. The first one using like visual effects to tell you Cadbury's beginnings as a company. And then we went into a show where it shows you how chocolate's made, using a lot of different effects, moving seats, heat lamps, air, smoke, stuff like that. It was really good. What did you think?
Do you know what? It's really good and it's informative, but imagine being actually so impatient that you sit down, realise you're about to watch an informative video for 3 minutes that tells you how chocolate's made. So you get up, walk across in front of everybody else and out through the exit door. I hate people.
If your kids, you know what I mean, like they're not going to want to watch a video like that, so I do get
No,
it.
I'm sorry.
So we made it into manufacturing, so now these screens, really cool, but basically they just tell you how each item, each chocolate item is made, manufactured. So come to one of these booths like Lindsay has over there, and you choose what food. So this is, you can have buttons, cream egg, Easter egg, roses. There's a few different options. Press the button, and there you go.
Liquid chocolate. Chocolate is deposited in drops onto a conveyor belt. This depositor can make an amazing 21,000 buttons in just 1 minute.
And I'll get poured out onto my modern slab. So currently my chocolate is sitting at about 50 degrees. I'm going to pull it down to about 20 degrees or so before I can place it onto my plastic mold outside. So I'm just going to scrape all of this out, place the equipment onto my marble slab on the table. So if I want to Trackless here, we would be using a traditional method called hand tempering to cool down the chocolate. And that's just basically a fancy name for saying we love chocolate. And that's what we're doing here. Mixing it backwards and forwards, spread it just like we would butter on bread, and then scrape it on off. Gather it into a nice little pile, and it's just going to continue to repeat these motions backwards and forwards until that chocolate is nicely pulled down and you can see that it's thickening up as we go. Like that, and we flatter. So we continue to spread it backwards and forwards. So what hand tempering is doing is we're changing the crystallization structure of the cocoa butter inside the chocolate mixture itself. And what that's doing is it's giving that chocolate a little bit of shine to it. It's also going to give your chocolate that's not been right into the sauce. So what we do is get hand tempering as a step in your chocolate making process. What that means is that your chocolate is being quite cold, and it also becomes here we go. I'm going to make sure this is all spread backwards and forwards. You guys can already see that it's starting to get up nicely. There we go. You can see all these little streaks of chocolate, and that's just because we're on fire for chocolate as we're mixing it all with this hand tempering.
Oh yeah, can I have marshmallows then, please? Thank you.
Can I get jelly babies and fudge, please? Thank you. Now, this reminds me of something. A famous saying I've heard, you're about as much use as a chocolate teapot. They look tasty though. So behind the scenes here where the magic happens.
Hello, my friends. It's me, Fredo, welcoming you all to our fantastic Cadbury World station. Very soon, you'll be going on an amazing adventure where you get to make the best Cadbury's chocolate bars. But to do that, you'll need to complete a very exciting quest. You must find and collect some of the key ingredients we need to make our delicious Cadbury's chocolate. From the rainforest, cocoa pods full of flakes. Help the monkeys wrap our chocolate bars. How wonderful! We've rolled the chocolate with extra love and attention to make sure it tastes just right. Now, take a look at your tally on your screen to see how well your team has done. Great work, my friends.
So we've just come out of the new Trackless 4D dart ride, Chocolate Quest. What did you think, Linz?
Yeah, it was alright. It's not Sesame Street mission. It does not smell of chocolate. That smells of cookies, but...
Yeah, I did think they missed a trick there with the chocolate smell. They really did. It was very short as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like cadabra.
The whole tour was very short. That factory tour used to be so much longer. It's been Merlin, I guess. Yeah,
even on our last trip, it seemed a lot. There was a lot more to it. That advertising bit with the monkey, that's gone.
Yeah.
The animatronic monkey was really good. Don't get me wrong, the Trackless dart ride is really fun. It's really nice. It's a bit short. And like I say, we ended up queuing about 15 minutes for it as well. So when it's part of a tour, you really find kind of a bit of a sudden like kind of stop in your tour. But yeah, a lot shorter.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Have you deliberately stopped to film this in front of the 1 kilo bar of dairy milk to tease me?
Oh, good question. Let's
Because
have a look.
I'm just looking at it.
I'd say we come straight onto the gift shop, so let's choose Lindsay an Easter egg. So we've just made it into the world's biggest Cadbury shop. So let me check it out, see what they've got. Hopefully get a Lindsay an Easter egg here for sure. So we're in the shop and I've just spotted something extra special here. I don't like Toblerone, but this is the world's largest Toblerone. Can't get larger than that. Doesn't look that big, to be fair, but it really is. So, exit through the gift shop. And the gift shop's got some good stuff. I'm loaded up here. I am loaded up. I don't think we're going to get Merlin annual pass discount, but I will certainly ask. And I'll let you know on the other side. So, I'll let you into a little hack here. You do get your Merlin annual pass discount, 20% off retail, which is incredible. You know what I mean? You bought some chocolate from here, from the factory shop. Yeah, discount 20% off. So if you're looking for some chocolate, this is definitely the thing to do. Get down here with your annual pass. Now, we may have finished the factory tour, which is a lot shorter than before. There is a whole area around the other side with some bits and pieces as well. There's a 4D cinema. Now, I do think we're going to miss the last show. We're going to try and get there. If we do, we'll give you a bit of a review. If not, obviously we'll check out what else is going around there. It's open till 6 today. And like I say, it's 5:30 now. So it looks like we've made it in time for the last showing of the 4D cinema. Luck is with us today. So we said before that the tour seemed a bit shorter in the factory tour area than it was before. The Bournville experience and the have a go bit where you used to write your name in chocolate weren't there. So it's because they're around the back of this kind of area. Now we have missed them because it closed at 5:30 today. It's just a bit of a shame. But like I say, they are here. So if you've done the tour and you think, oh God, that's a lot shorter than it used to be. Here where they used to have all the memorabilia, I think that's all gone. And the have a go, the Bournville experience are here now. So the sun is setting now on our day here at Cadbury World. Top tips for you if you are coming. First of all, get here early. Like I say, there's a lot of stuff around the back that used to be part of the standard tour in the factory and that isn't. So the have a go bit where you get to write your name in chocolate, the Bournville experience, they're all at the back where the memorabilia used to be. Now, I think it's still there according to the signs, but make sure you get here early, check that out. Second of all, tour inside does feel a lot shorter than it used to be. Like I say, some of the stuff's moved outside, but some of the stuff's just gone for good. That animatronic gorilla, the other advertising stuff, just not there anymore. There's just a little small area there, which is a real shame. Another top tip for you, if you're doing some chocolate shopping, save it. Save it for your trip because you get Merlin annual pass discount here, 20% off your chocolate. I think the new 4D dart ride is really good. It's short. Don't get me wrong, it's short, but it's a lot of fun. I miss Cadabra. Cadabra was a nice little animatronic ride. Yeah, it was breaking down towards the end. It wasn't looking great. The love and attention had gone. But this is a really good get for the UK. Really nice. 4D trackless dart ride. Interact with guns. Now, you don't get individual scores, so there's no kind of fun in coming back and repeating it and trying over and over again to beat your friends. I guess that's not what they wanted. At the end of the day, you're coming out to the end of the tour when you finish that ride. You know what I mean? It's not like you can get back in the queue and just do it time after time after time. But saying that, I've enjoyed it. I love chocolate, love Cadbury. Really enjoyed coming back. If you've enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll hatch you again soon with an Easter egg.